Assalamualaikum and hello to Puan Akmalia and my fellow friends. My name is Nur Azrin Nadira binti Abdul Manaf. My metric number 33DTM19F1058.
My name is Nur Fatiha Aina binti Muhammad Razali. Number metric 33DTM19F1067.
My name is Auni Bazila binti Abdul Hamid. My metric number 33DTM19F1041. Today, we will be talking about Wi-Fi services. Before we starting this presentation, we should look at the content to be discussed that related to Wi-Fi. Among its contents are introductions about Wi-Fi, functions of Wi-Fi, characteristics of Wi-Fi, features of Wi-Fi, solutions in Wi-Fi problems, values, and conclusions about Wi-Fi.
So, what is Wi-Fi? Wi-Fi is a wireless network use a radio frequency signal instead of wires to connect devices such as computers and smartphones. Wi-Fi is the most popular wireless network, while other wireless function better in situations such as Wi-Fi technology powers at home networks, business local area networks, and public hotspot networks.
Functions of Wi-Fi. Firstly, Wi-Fi allows local area network to operate without cable and wiring. Because of that, we can print picture wirelessly, or we can look at video from Wi-Fi connected device with no need to be physically connected to them. Other than that, Wi-Fi used to connect to other access points which in to provide internet access. Internet access for many portable devices such as smartphones, laptops, tablets, and electronic gaming. In addition, Wi-Fi signal can be transmitted over short distance. The typical range of a standard Wi-Fi network can reach up hundreds of meters into open air.
There is 5 characteristics of Wi-Fi, which is first, roaming, second, scalability, third, network management system, fourth, role-based access control, and 5 is network access control. First is roaming. Means roaming allow the user move from one access point to another without noticing dip in performance. For example, the students check their Instagram or Facebook feed while they walk from one class to the next. Next is network management system. In modern days, wireless Wi-Fi network are much complex and consist thousands of access points. So, you need to have a smart way of managing the entire network from a centralized system. Next is role-based access control. RBAC is like application because it can detect and determine who, when, and what the device or the user are trying to access in our network. Last characteristic of Wi-Fi is network access control. It serves to control the user, such as allowing user to register in our networks.
Next feature in Wi-Fi is make the connection to open a world of application including content sharing, sync, and more. The Wi-Fi router then connects to the end device via radio. wireless radio wave, the established end-to-end internet connection, have the wireless router receive the data from the internet translate it into the radio signal and send it over the wireless network to the connected device. The widespread use of the technology and its availability in both residential homes and public places, including park, gathering spot, and coffee shops, have made it one of the most popular data transmission technology available today.
So, the problem that people face without Wi-Fi is we will not be able to talk to any our daily life and to do our daily tasks. So the solution is having a Wi-Fi can help us communicate with friends, family, teamworks using a FaceTime, email, anything, and it can make our works quickly finish. There is 4 values that we get from using Wi-Fi. First is knowledge. If Wi-Fi connect with laptop or computer, we will find all info. With this, the knowledge, our knowledge will increase. For example, we can search about COVID-19. We can learn much more about COVID-19. So, it can make our knowledge increase. The second is fun. With Wi-Fi, we can do something easy and fun. For example, during we do our assessment, we can open YouTube, we can listening the music, or we can watch the experiment tutorial on YouTube also. The third is security. We must create the password on our Wi-Fi because if we cannot do that, the people around us will use it so easily. So the last one of value is challenge. Each of us will have the challenge when using the Wi-Fi. The connection on laptop will disconnect due to weather condition.
In conclusions, wireless networks like Wi-Fi is something that people can expect as technology advances. It has a lot of benefits and can make the world a lot more efficient. First, Wi-Fi is a simple and cost-effective way to connect to the internet. So, we don't need to use the physically connecting wires to get the Wi-Fi. Second, Wi-Fi is very important for the life of the community. For example, nowadays, Wi-Fi is important for student life, to join online classes, or to find information to complete the assignments. Third, Wi-Fi is growing in popularity because of decreasing costs and freedom it gives to users.
That's all from us. Thank you for paying attention to our discussion.